Hello, everyone. So let's do a complete revision of Nizam Miracle. We'll do his work, the importance, his most important works, and some, basic questions. So we have already done the MCQs. Just go and refer all those MCQs after the revision part so that you can get an entire idea of what it is about, what are the works, when are the important events which took place. So let's start with the work. So who was Nissim Miracle? He was born in 1924 and till 2004. He was born in Mumbai and at that point of time Bombay. Miracle became a pioneer of modern Indian English poetry. So he was a poet, he was an editor, he was a playwright, and he was a critic. So, when we talk about his work, so it was very simple, conversational, and socially observant. So, his poetry finds irony and humor in urban life and Indian identity. Okay, so literary importance or major works के बारे में बात करें तो some of the major works of his is The Unfinished Man, The Exact Name, Hymns in Darkness, Later Day Psalms. सो जो उन्होंने इंग्लिश पोइट्री को ऐसे एस्टैब्लिश किया मॉडर्न इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में यूजिंग ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ एंड ऑर्डिनरी पीपल एज पोइटिक सब्जेक्ट्स सो we have to revise when we talk about literary importance and major works. It is humor plus irony plus social criticism. That is what Nazim Irakal is all about. So he was the one who established Indian English poetry as serious modern literature. So important poems to remember. We already spoke about Knight of the Scorpion, The Patriot, Enterprise, Poet, Lover, Bird Watcher, The Professor, Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa TS. Now, what is Night of the Scorpion all about? It is about a mother who is bitten by a scorpion. So, mother, superstition, and self sacrifice, the theme of the poem Night of the Scorpion. When we talk about The Patriot, it is about Indianized English and patriotism satire. Enterprise is about spiritual journey and disillusionment. And Poet Lover and Bird Watcher is about poetry, love, and patience. And The Professor is about Indian English and comic monologue. On the other hand, the last, but not the least, of course, Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa TS is about speech patterns and affectionate satire. So let's do a small brief about all the important poems or the works which we spoke about. When we talk about Night of the Scorpion, a mother is bitten by a scorpion. Villagers gather invoking superstition. The narration quietly contrasts tradition with modernity. So what we can see here is mother, a scorpion bites the mother, the villagers gather, there's a superstitious belief and there's a sacrifice, right? So we can see motherhood, faith, community, and rural life in the entire poem. When we talk about the patriot, we can see Indian English, humorous tone, satire on patriotism, Gandhi, and politics is also involved in the work. So there's Indian English, there's Gandhi, there's patriotism, and there's satire. When we talk about enterprise is an allegorical spiritual journey shaped by ambition, difficulty, failure, and irony. So, journey, the difficulty which one faces, the return, and the disillusionment is all about enterprise. So, major themes which we talk about in Ericle's poetry is about Indian identity, a unique Indian poetic voice in English. Urban life is one of the major themes which were used. Loneliness, alienation, and modern anxieties, tradition and modernity. So there's a conflict observed with irony in this alienation, disconnection from society and self, humor and irony, comedy sharpened into social critique. So when we talk about Ericle's poetic style, it is simple conversational English, irony that reveals deeper meaning, humor exposing social behavior, Indian English speech patterns, and everyday life as poetic material. Let's do a rapid fire question answer. Who was he? So he was a modern Indian English poet. He was born in 1924 and died in 2004. Scorpion, the poem was all about mother, superstition and sacrifice. इंडियनाइज्ड इंग्लिश कौन सा है पैट्रियट वर्क में हम लोग देखते हैं स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी की बात करें स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी इज इन द एंटरप्राइज एंड पोएट्री प्लस लव की बात करें तो इट इज पोएट lover and bird watcher the work. So final revision summary is it's Nazir Miracle is all about modern Indian poetry, urban life, Indian identity, irony, humor, and alienation. So the exam tip when we talk about we have to focus on humor and irony as tools of social critique. So remember the unique voice. It is simple, conversational, and socially observant, rooted in Indian experience, right? So I've already given you MCQ of the about the author, about all the works. So just go through the all the important things, and if you have any doubts regarding this, just get back to me, and we'll see in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.